Ooh, I love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarati, and by the title you already know that this is my August favorite. This is coming a little late. This video is a little late because I don't know if you guys have been following me or no, but I got a new house and there's a lot of construction and work that's been going on. So that's why I couldn't sit down to film the video. There's a lot of paperwork or anything. There's so much that I could never like sit down properly. So now that I actually found the time, I'm like, you know, why not put this video up? So let's get started. So before getting into the entire video and the favorites, I want to talk to you guys that this entire August month was been a chaos for me. I did not even like, you know, didn't get time to put on makeup properly or anything as such. So there's not much makeup or some kind of there's no makeup favorites as such. But let's get started. The first thing that I have is gonna be my favorite moment. That's my anniversary. I'll pop up a couple pictures or something. If you guys haven't watched the videos, I did post all of my wedding video CDs on my channel. I'll leave it in the card somewhere here, so please go check it out. And yeah, that's like my really happiest moment. The next favorite is something that I don't have physically with me because I have been salivating the minute I get that. So that is the Sun Gold Kiwi. It's not the normal kiwi, but the Sun Gold one, and it's a sweeter version of the green color kiwis that we normally eat. I love it so much. I don't know whether they were available before or something like that, but I've like completely fallen in love with those kiwis, and oh my god, they are so sweet. I love them so much. I'll pop a picture somewhere here. I did want to save one at least for the video, but I couldn't resist eating, so it's amazing. I actually ordered them from Big Basket, and later on I went to my local fruit vendor and he did have it. So go try it if you have never tried Sun Gold Kiwi. They are amazing. They taste amazing. I really want to eat another one, but I'm like completely done with it. The next favorite is also a food item that I don't have in my hands right now, but that is the McCains veggie fingers. I leave a picture somewhere on the screen, but it is the yummiest veggie fingers I've ever eaten. I don't know why. I did try their cheese samosas as well, but the veggie fingers take the charts. Like, it's amazing. It's really, really crispy. It's yummy, and you know, if you're in a mood to just have a little snack here and there, you can definitely check it out. It's amazing. The taste is amazing. I love it so much, and I think it's really affordable. It's for like 50 to 80 rupees or something. I will leave all the links that I can find in the description box, so go ahead, check it out. The next favorite I have is actually something I can show you guys, and before I can show you, please remember that these are worn and used, abused, everything. So please don't get scared with the colors and all, but that is these slippers. I got these slippers from Miniso, and you guys, these are amazing for everyday activities during the monsoons or for general purposes. I love these so much. They've been really bad because I've used it a lot, but I really like it. I got it from Miniso actually, and they were really affordable. I think they were for like 250 bucks or something. But I couldn't find the women's version of this. I do have the men's version available online, so I will leave the link for that also. The next favorite is actually my haircut, and I'm so happy. The reason I don't have it open is because my hair is running on 6th day without wash, and I did not want to like show you guys the dirt and junk and all the gunk in the scalp. So yeah, I love my haircut. It's so cute. And guess what? This is that quarantine bug that bit me, and I told my mom to cut my hair, and I was so happy. She did cut my bangs also, but I think I'm gonna cut them a little more. But yeah, I like my hair. The next favorite of the month is actually my spectacles. I got these. I do have power and I'm basically blind, so I got these from Lenskart actually. Yeah, I posted a picture on this in my stories, and there were a lot of people who actually asked me from where I got these. So I got these from Lenskart, and these are super cool. I like how hexagonal they are, and it's really, really cool. The next favorite I have is a bunch of items that I've ordered from Amazon. So this is one of my favorite. These are these scrunchies because I had my hair cut and I wanted it to be like, you know, put it up in a ponytail, and as such I'm actually wearing one here that's not matching. I put the matching one right here to show you guys. But these are those scrunchies. These are those typical scrunchies. I got it from Amazon and these are really good. They have like really good hold to my hair. I also ordered the fur ones. I will leave the picture over here and also in the link in the description box. Go ahead, check it out. I think you guys will really like them. There are a couple of favorites that I don't want to talk now because I want to give a full depth review of those. So those are all. So there's another video that'll be coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and that's all for my August favorites. Let me know your favorites in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.